Good day and welcome to your daily news digest. Starting with the financial markets, Wall Street saw a week of consolidation. The Nifty experienced a mild corrective movement, closing with a slight loss despite a supportive stance from the U.S. Federal Reserve. The index faced significant resistance near its recent highs, signaling a technical pause in its uptrend. The week was marked by volatility, influenced by foreign fund outflows and a falling rupee. Analysts advise traders to remain cautious and protect profits, awaiting a clear breakout above the 26,200 level for the next directional move. Amid the fluctuations, sectors like metals, autos, and private banks are showing relative strength. In investment news, CC Prudential AMC is highlighting opportunities where valuations remain attractive, specifically in the technology sector and among large private banks. The fund manager notes that financials are adapting well to changes in the interest rate cycle and that certain contrarian plays are emerging for the new year. Following this sentiment, CC Direct has released its top picks for the year, including Bajaj Finserv and IOL Chemicals. The brokerage remains optimistic, forecasting the Nifty could reach the 30,000 mark in 2026, citing favorable technical and structural characteristics for its chosen stocks. Investors continue to track the portfolios of seasoned market players for inspiration. The portfolio of veteran investor Anil Kumar Goel is in the spotlight, with 8 of his stocks surging up to 60% in the current fiscal year. As of December 12, the total value of Goel's publicly disclosed holdings, which includes stakes in 34 companies, stood at nearly 2,008 crore rupees. This performance underscores the market's interest in following the strategies of experienced investors. On the global financial front, Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki has issued a stark warning about the global banking system. He described it as a heads I win, tails you lose game controlled by bankers. Kiyosaki strongly advocates for owning tangible assets that are outside of this system, specifically recommending gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum as a means for individuals to protect their wealth and, as he puts it, legally avoid taxes. Turning to international news, the political landscape in Bangladesh is heating up ahead of upcoming elections. The Bangladesh Nationalist Party, or BNP, led by the ailing former Prime Minister Begum Khalida Zia, is re-emerging as a main political force. Alongside the BNP, the country's largest Islamist party, Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami, is also positioning itself as a significant contender, setting the stage for a closely watched electoral contest. And finally, diplomatic tensions are rising between Pakistan and Nordic states. In a rare move, Pakistan served a démarche to the Norwegian envoy, signaling a new low in relations. This action is considered unusual, as Islamabad typically maintains careful relationships with European nations, partly due to its financial dependence on schemes like the GSP Plus trade preference. The move has drawn attention given that Norway is also home to a sizable number of Pakistani nationals. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.